Gang, I'm at about $27, $28. You gotta blame it on fam, boy. Still in your own garage, man. He got me up in the candy store. Y'all know how it is being in Harbor Freight, man. You come in here, you need everything. You need house stuff, car stuff, personal shit. I done got me some Freon. Her car already blow good cold air, but I needed blowing them snowballs that it used to blow when we bought it. It's blowing semi-cool. I gotta turn it all the way down on 60 and turn it on blast. So we still getting somewhat cool air, but we need a recharge, so we got some air. We got some sandpaper for we can finish getting the go-kart and finish sanding down Carly red pieces. Get her right and get the go-kart right. Got us a timer. We been needing time. We got us a extension cord so we can set up outside. Baby took my last extension cord and used it for something else. So I gotta get me an extension cord. And I don't think I got a long enough one. I only got 25 feet as y'all see. But I need to get an extension cord so I can set my stuff up outside to do my work outside and for we can jam and chill outside while I'm out there selling the hood sips, selling the plates and shit, D&B catering, man. Doing what we do, man. We're gonna get back at y'all, man, cause we in this thing and I keep looking, I know I'm gonna see something else. We gotta come back and get these. Like we said, these would be some good grounds to go on your car. You know what I'm saying? Get you some good power and ground going to the block of your motor and shit. That'll be good for that. Ain't too bad. $40. I gotta get AC/DC converter if I can plug that PlayStation up and whoop some of y'all at the track when they get out there with them cars. Ooh, I need one of these. Let me see what type of batteries they take. See, yeah, I gotta get out of here. Messing with fam, I gotta get out here. I said the next time I came in here, I was gonna get a zapper. Yesterday, I said I was gonna get a jump box. I supposed to got another air compressor, but I bought one, the cheap one out the dollar store, and I could have got the big one out of here, a big air compressor for $40. But the one that I bought that plug in a cigarette lighter, it was $15 at the dollar store, because I didn't want to get this one that was $34 and the one that was $74. But I still fucked myself because I should have left the $15 one at the dollar store there and got the motherfucking big compressor for $40. So yeah, let me get this zapper and then we're gonna be out of here. They messing with me, I ain't got time. Spending money. You hear me? Oh yeah, this the one. Use 2D batteries. Use 2D batteries. They trying to get out this thing. I'm finna get out this thing. I'm gonna go sit by the car. I done got my cart, how they said online, my cart full, y'all. I need one of these jacks, but can't get one today. They got a deal on the jacks, you hear me? When you lifting up them old schools. Oh yeah, I'm definitely coming to get one of these. Give me a nice 2-3 ton. You gotta lift up them old school, man. You gotta put them things in the air fast. You got them big wheels on them. You gotta set that shit up fast, bro. We got a couple motor dolly, but it don't hurt to get some more. Like I tell y'all, this is the candy store. Sorry for the camera view, but this is the candy store, y'all. And I love it. Every time I come in here, they get too much of me. I need me a new water hole for the front. But I need to get one of the one with the rack that you can wrap it up too. I ain't fucking around right now. My cart already too high. I'm gonna be them motherfucking went overboard. Look, I'm coming down the aisle where I need me a rubber mullet. Somebody stole my lab rubber hammer. He was out there working on the suspension. I ain't seen it. Believe me, Pop-in-law put that shit in his bag like it was his. I had to check his tool bag next time he come through. Boy. Whoever came up with this store came up with a gold mine, son. They put all the household car needs in one store, dog. Dog. I need an axe to chop y'all niggas up. Y'all wanna get chopped up, nigga? Way go. Start using different weapons. Ain't caught me with 9, 10 dollars. Gonna chop your ass up. Like lifetime. Chop, 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 chop. Get back at y'all in a minute. We back, baby. Still in your own garage. Y'all see what we did, man. Got the ring, fam. Finna goddamn me clean this motherfucker up. Put some work on that bitch. Clean it up. Spray it, paint it. Get that badass posit in there, man. She still mounted up, though. You know what I'm saying? She still got a factory one on there. Fam said we finna delete the one tie fry and put 2. I ain't got no finger right there, so I had to do it like this. Yeah, but 2 in there. You know what I'm saying? 2 in there. We'll be back, man. You gotta get dirty right quick. Sand this off. Y'all see the beginning. The beginning, look. Train all this motherfucking gear all out there, bitch. Still in your own garage, baby. We back out here. We back a little bit. Had to show y'all, man. And he pulled the drum off. Y'all see it over there. Goddamn, my spring was broken there. If y'all can tell, y'all see the spring. I ain't gonna get my hand too dirty. Y'all see where it's broke right there. Like I said, spring broke right there. So we gonna put new springs, gonna put new pads. The pads looking alright, but they dirty. I wish I could show y'all, man. We found a lot of little baby scorpions in the damn rear end, so we don't know where this rear end came from. But we hope that when we put it back together, that it bite like a scorpion. It's gonna be snapping. Bite, yeah. Throw it off. Got this motherfucker cleaned off. Got a lot of the cobwebs and dirt off. The bottom part sanded. Y'all can see that. Bottom part sanded. Had to flip that over. Got to finish sanding and cleaning it all right now. Clean it, sand it, and paint it. Put these new springs and pads in these motherfuckers. It's positive. Y'all go watch Still in Your Own Garage on the other video. Y'all go see it. You know what I'm saying? He probably get his video out before mine. You know what I'm saying? But hey, y'all gonna see positive everything being worked on. Y'all see Big Baby in the flesh. Big Baby in the flesh. Ready to get her right. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah. Almost got everything back put in. When we got this car, missing a lot of pieces, man. It didn't have no under dashboard piece. We got that, got it same color matcher. You know what I'm saying? Two-tone, maroon and gray. You know what I'm saying? We got to put the headliner. We had gray headliner, but we about to put the maroon back. You know what I'm saying? Took it out to put some stuff in it. Put the maroon back. You know what I'm saying? We just got to clean it up. Found and put the little radio in there for the time being. It came out of Cuddy Woody. Stands and everything, framed and got straightened all the way out and did plenty of motor work. Endless stuff I can name under the hood. You know what I'm saying? Optic spark, plug, you know, everything tuned up wide. Then did lower upper control on bush and all kinds of upgrade, bro. Bumper, I'm talking about pulling dicks out to motherfucking me, gearbox to line, everything, man. Like I said, y'all see you working on the rear end now. I got the rims and the 6s ready for the next come up. Y'all just keep waiting, man. Purple Rain, last time y'all seen her. Comment, let us know what y'all think. Fam, Still in Your Own Garage, then bust that bitch all the way down, you hear me? We done cleaned it off. Got that bitch cleaned off good, sanded down good, wide brush now. And then took the drums off, got the springs out. Got the hubs off and all that shit, man. Got the hubs covered up, spraying it down, cleaning it up, finna get it painted and looking real new. Go back in with new parts, bushings on that motherfucker, looking A1. Sorry about the camera, but y'all know. Getting better as we go. Small work, man, but hey, it make a big motherfucking difference, man. It make a big difference on the performance, though. Get as much done as we can while you can, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Oh, Purple Rain. Sorry about the camera view, y'all. Purple Rain, baby. Flight Rick Racing, Flight Rick Custom shit, man. Purple Rain, Purple Rain. I believe Big Purple Rain get up now. You get them big V8, that's what you want. Oh, get out of it. Baby, what a irk this shit. Baby, want to irk and shit. My bad, y'all. Still y'all goddamn V8. I gotta get me a better stand when I'm driving this shit, man. I'll get at you later.